Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download the Among Us mod menu for iOS in 2025, guys. This actually works. You get so many settings in here, so I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So basically what you need to do is go to this site, zoomods.com, and just type in Among Us. And as you can see, it says Among Us mod, right? So now we're just going to wait for it to download. This is super cool, guys, and it actually works. So as you can see, it says it's only 22 megabytes, so that's pretty cool. So basically, this is like a top website. They are voted on Reddit the #1 destination for modded apps. So that's pretty cool, right? So yeah, I found this site on Reddit, as I said, so it has been a really nice place to get modded stuff. So anyway, guys, once it loads, it is going to bring us to the page where we have to do the final step. This is the verification. So basically what this entails is downloading 2 apps and completing the instructions. These are totally free and they're from the official app store. So as you can see, it says Among Us mod installer. Please install 2 apps to automatically install the mod. Additional files are required for the Among Us mod to run. So I did Dice Dreams and Family Island. I'm not sure what you're going to see depending on what country you're in, but you only have to download 2 of these and they're really easy. So yeah, this is the first one I did. I did Dice Dreams. You just got to play through it for a little bit. Sometimes it's like reach level 10, reach like level 7 or whatever on the game. But it's very, very simple. I already did the whole process, obviously, but I want to show you the Family Island one as well, which is, once again, just press on the app. It brings you to the App Store. You run it. You're good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe if you guys want to get Among Us mod in 2025, guys. This is super cool and it totally works. So as you can see, I mean, all I had to do was complete the verification and we're going to be good to go, guys. So super cool. I'm a big Among Us player, but you know what? Sometimes I feel like I want to cheat, and I got the Among Us mod right here. I got all the settings you can use. So I'm going to see you guys later, and yeah, subscribe to the channel and peace out.